Okay, so we're going to do some of the practice problems. I'm not going to do all of them because I still want you to practice yourself. So I may pick 2 or 3 that I'm going to do, and then hopefully you can do the rest on your own. Alright, so we've already done the in-class examples. Let's do a few practice ones together, and the rest you can probably do yourself. Alright, so let's do, there's 2 relationship problems, right? Let me go ahead and pick number 4. Or, sorry, that's not 4, that is D. Okay? What is the relationship between FC and R? So let's see. We got FC is equal to mv squared. Look, that's a fraction, right? There's a division sign, so the R goes on the bottom. So it's mv squared divided by R. I'm going to put each one in parentheses, just like before. Alright, what am I only worried about? FC and R, right? These don't matter. Okay? So if we get rid of these, what are we going to replace it with? We can't put a 0 there, right? How about we put a 1 instead? Just to pretend like all this nonsense was a 1. Right? It doesn't affect the problem because it's just 1. So I'm going to do FC is equal to 1 over R. Okay? So if I have this, what happens? Ooh, this one's different than before. Check this out. So what happens if FC goes up? Actually, let me ask you this. What if R goes up? R's on the bottom of a fraction, right? So if I increase R, what's going to happen to F? That's right, it should go down. Wait a minute, Mr. Lamb, that looks different than what we've been doing. Yeah, because it's in the denominator. So here's a quick example I'm going to throw on the side so you can see what's going on. Blank piece of paper. If I had, let's do F equals 1/2. That's 1/2, right? So what's that? 50%? Let's just say that's what, 0.5 equals 1/2. Alright, now check this out. Remember, I'm going to make the bottom number bigger. So what's going to happen? So F equals, F prime is going to equal, I brought this bigger, right? So it's going to be 4 is bigger than 2, right? 2 increased to 4. Well, what is F now? Right? F is equal to 1/4. I could rewrite it, maybe I'll write it as a decimal this time. We can really see what's going on. We can agree 25 cents equals 1/4, right? Whoa. Look, when I increased 2 to 4, what happened to my new F? My new F went to 0.25. So when this one went up, this one went down. I brought this up, so this one went down. So if I decrease the bottom number, my new number will go down. Okay? So I brought 2 up, and 0.5 went down. My new 4 was bigger, remember? It's bigger. And then my 0.25 is smaller. Okay? Alright. So, what happened here? Okay? We could use the word inverse and all that, but instead, let's make it simple and just say as, we can do R first. As R goes up, FC goes down. You don't have to write it out. Just give me an up and a down arrow, right? Okay. Everyone good so far?